tobacco types are stored in massive silos.
It begins in the fields, where high-quality tobacco plants are grown for months. Skilled farmers harvest the leaves at the peak of maturity.
The leaves are hung in barns to dry and cure. Controlled heat removes moisture and develops the aroma. Once cured, the golden leaves are ready for the factory.
Bales of tobacco are shipped to the manufacturing plant. Arriving at the high-tech cigarette factory.
The raw material enters the processing line.
Quality inspectors check the color and texture.
Steam softens the brittle leaves to prevent breaking.
The hard stems are removed, leaving only the pure leaf.
The clean leaf strips move to the blending area.
Different tobacco types are stored in massive silos.
A secret blend of different leaves creates the signature taste.
Flavors like cocoa or licorice are sprayed on.
The blend is conditioned to absorb the flavors. Now, the leaves are sliced into fine strands.
This fine cut is known as cut rag. Excess moisture is removed for the perfect burn.
The tobacco is cooled before rolling.
Magnets remove any metal impurities.
Finally, it enters the cigarette-making machine.
A spool of special paper feeds the machine.
Tobacco is laid onto the paper in a continuous rod.
The paper wraps around the tobacco instantly.
A continuous cigarette rod moves at 500 meters per minute.
The rod is cut into precise lengths. These sticks move to the filter assembler.
Filters are made from cellulose acetate.
The filters are cut to size.
A filter is placed between two tobacco sticks.
Cork paper connects the filter to the tobacco.
The double stick is sliced in half, creating two cigarettes.
Thousands of finished cigarettes flow like a waterfall. Sensors reject any imperfect sticks. They gather in trays before packaging. Robots handle the delicate product. This single machine makes 20,000 cigarettes per minute. The packer organizes them into groups of 20.
Foil wrapping keeps the tobacco fresh.
The bundle slides into the printed box.
Precision gluing seals the pack.
Official tax stamps are applied.
Cellophane wrapping adds the final seal.
packs zoom towards the carton packer. Ten packs make one carton. The carton is wrapped and sealed.
Master cases are filled for shipping.
Ready for distribution.
Palletizing the boxes. Stacking pallets high.
Securing the load.
Moving to the warehouse.
Millions of cigarettes stored.
Trucks are loaded for delivery. Heading to markets worldwide.
From a green leaf to a precision-made product, the engineering is impressive. I want to draw your attention to the specific details on this new packaging. However, always remember the health warnings associated with this product. If you enjoyed this factory tour, like and subscribe to Rising Story USA.